It's a great day. Hello, and thank you for watching. We are going to be talking about hermeneutics. What is hermeneutics? Hermeneutics is a process by which you give an answer to a question. So what? It is important that our answers are factual, based on substance, based on evidence. For example, John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believed in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. God loved his creation, and his creation is depraved. So what did he do? He gave up something to gain, to buy back, to redeem people he loved. But it's conditional. It's not for everyone. It's only for those who believed. And the word believe is living it out, obeying God's laws. Only then they will receive the gift, and that gift is everlasting life. Assuming that you spoke to someone about it, and they go, and so what? So our duty, our assignment is to go find theological facts, historical data, and literary context to develop, to formulate our answers so people can understand. Only then is when we can give our answers using hermeneutics. We have an election coming up, and you've already made up your mind who you're going to vote for, or who you will vote for, or who you voted for. That's okay. That's your prerogative. The problem that we see is that when we only hear things and not doing our research, and I understand there are people who are busy who do not have time, which is okay. But if you are a spokesperson, if you are the one making noise, make sure that you do your research, apply hermeneutics in your life. I spoke with a guy the other day, and he's on the opposing view, but his answers were backed up by research, by data. That I appreciate. On the other hand, I also spoke with others, and they give answers based on mainstream media news. And we all know how one-sided it is now with the mainstream media. And without us doing our research, we might not make the right decisions. So our podcast, Pacifica United Ministry Podcast, the first episode is going to be about hermeneutics, and there are 12 segments. Sign up or follow us on Facebook, go to YouTube, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on this upcoming episode. Episode 1 is about hermeneutics. And that way, when we decide when we're going to launch it, you will be able to join us, or at least follow the recording. Thank you, and may God richly bless you.